Mommies. I'm Emily and welcome back. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like easy family recipes, clean with me videos, grocery haul, and all that good stuff. Today I'm sharing with you a delicious appetizer. We're going to be doing tuna croquettes or croquetas de tuna in Spanish. They're so good and so delicious, and I know everybody has tuna cans in their pantry ready to be used, so why not make tuna croquettes? I added a lot of vegetables as well. You can also serve it with your favorite sauce. I just made a quick sauce. I added sour cream, sriracha, ketchup, and garlic powder, and that's about it. It was so good with this tuna croquettes. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started with the ingredients. Well, we are going to need 3 cans of tuna drained. We're also going to need 2 boiled potatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, and also over here, this one's going to add flavor to our delicious tuna croquettes. This is half a cup of sauteed green and red bell peppers, white onions, and garlic. And this is to taste, so you add as much as you want, but I feel like half a cup of those ingredients is the perfect amount. We're also going to need fresh parsley. Now this is the easy part. Since the tuna I already added in a bowl, in a mixing bowl, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to start with the sauteed vegetables. The salt and the black ground pepper is to taste, so adjust accordingly. The paprika powder, we're also going to add the fresh parsley. It adds flavor and color to our tuna croquettes. We're going to mix this very well. And the last thing that we're going to do is add our boiled potatoes. With a fork, we're going to mash it into our tuna mixture. This is going to help us form the croquettes more easily. We're going to give it another mix, and now we're ready to form our delicious and super easy tuna croquettes. Now, as you can see, I have 2 bowls. I have a bowl full of breadcrumbs. This is panko, and a bowl of 1 egg whisked. And I didn't add no salt. We're forming the tuna croquettes with 1 tablespoon of the mixture. As you can see, I did some oval shaped, and you can decide how big you want the croquettes, but I did like a medium size. We're going to dip it in the egg mixture, and then we're going to coat it with our breadcrumbs. We're going to set it aside and put it in a plate. And we're going to continue making our tuna croquettes until we don't have no more tuna.
Now this is all I want. So if you make a move, I promise I'll be there too. Ooh, give me time and I will be there before.
This is the end result, 13 delicious tuna croquettes. We're going to pop this in the freezer for 30 minutes or more. And then now we're ready to fry them up. The reason that I pop them in the freezer is because I don't want them to break off in the heat. So we just want them to be nice and firm in order for them to fry up very nicely. So I'm cooking this at medium-high heat and using avocado oil. We are frying the croquettes in batches for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side. And then we're ready to flip on the other side because we want this croquettes to be nice and golden and crunchy. So keep on cooking them until all the sides are nice and golden. After we are done, we are just going to transfer these croquettes in a plate with a paper towel on top so it can absorb the oil. So good. Look at them. Delicious. Now we're ready to serve because we are done. I served it with a delicious quick sauce of sriracha, sour cream, garlic powder, and ketchup. And that's about it.